C#. So here's the compiler in which I'm going to work upon. So let's begin with how to use if-else loop in C#. I'm just clearing this line, and what I need to do, I just create a program through which we'll come to know if the number is even or odd. So the concept is very clear. If the number is divisible by 2, then it is known as even, else it is known as odd. So this particular program can be achieved with the help of a control statement known as if else. So let's check how. We'll first of all we'll create a variable int a. Now what I'll do, I'll ask the user to enter the value for a. So for that we'll need console dot write line, and with double quotes I'll mention enter the number. Okay, and now this number will be given to a, and how it will be given to a, we'll write a equal to convert dot to int 32, and then we'll over here in within the brackets we'll write console dot read line. We just need to open close the bracket and semicolon. Now the value which is being entered by user will be given to a. Now what we need to do, we just need to write if a modulus 2 equals to 0. So this is the condition which you're going to check. If a modulus 2 is equal to 0, then what you need to print? Console dot write line number is even. Likewise, the curly braces will be closed. Then we write else number is not divisible and the remainder is not 0. Then console dot write line number is odd. Very much clear, and it is being completed. And what I need to do, we just need to execute the particular code. I'll just say run. Enter the number, had entered number as 67, and over here I can say number is odd. Again, if I say run and I enter the new number, let's suppose 55, and if I say enter, the result I'll get, it isn't, the number is odd. If again I say run, let's check if the number is even, in that case 78, and I say enter, and it will show number is even. So in this way we can able to create a program in C#.NET while saying the number is even or odd using if else condition. I hope it is very much clear to everyone. So do like, share and comment and be with my channel. Thank you so much.